Hello, hello. Back in West Virginia, this is MSX 23. The best products and best service from people who really care and love what they do. Mountain State Overland is proudly supported by OK 4-Wheel Drive.
The rest is
Yeah, this is a pretty solid group here. We actually have 3 guests on this trip that have been on 3 of our guided trips to date. Gonna be a great trip, and I have no idea what to expect, but I can expect us to have a really good time. There's mojito in here. I've already made 2 of them, and this one's mine. So I've got some ice in here. I've got all the fun, good stuff. So I'm going to strain it out. You want everything out of there, every last bit. I feel like that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Slice of lime, put it on the side. A couple mint leaves in there, even though I've got like 10 mint leaves in it already. Top it off with some club soda. Stir it around with your preferred stirring device. In this case, it's my knife.
Kitchen knife.
That's a mojito. Oh yeah, solid. Well, we've had a fantastic day. Podge had to leave us. He had to head back home, but we are continuing on. We don't have too much further, but this has been a very like 70-30% type of gravel dirt day. Overlanding is about using these rural roads to get to epic destinations, and that's exactly what we're doing. In fact, I think the team's coming now. What's happening?
All right, looks like Sam found himself in a ditch, so we are gonna just get this kinetic recovery rope and gently tug him out and see if that's just enough to get him popped out of the ditch. And we're like 2 miles from camp, so last minute excitement for the end of the day.
Everybody's getting excited about swimming in the river.
Oh yeah.
I'll hold it and you can back up.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Autofocus. Okay.
As soon as he gets to top, go. Go! Nice. Woo! It's very deep. Do what?
That's
We
what
did
skid
it.
plates are for, man.
That's what skid plates and sliders are for.
You got a little,
Nice work.
Cling on. Cowboy caviar, tomatoes, corn, beans, bell pepper, parsley, olive oil, and some spices and vinegar.
Napa cabbage salad.
Yeah, toasted
salad.
almonds and ramen and lots of butter, and then this will be the topping that makes it nice and crispy. And then there's
Next level, straight to the earth and cooking. Like, we've cooked on a scuttle so much, and we love the scuttle. We've cooked on camp stoves. You know, we cooked on everything for the last like year and a half now. We've been like trying to take it more back to the real camping experience, right? So we've been cooking on a braai, and this is a brio, right? So all it is doing here is like digging up a couple inches of soil. He's laying it over here, and when we're done, the beauty of it is we're gonna put the earth back on top of it, and we're gonna fertilize it, and there'll probably be a really heavy green grass to grow next year. But what he's doing is he's heating up the charcoal, gonna lay a bed out, and then what are you gonna do?
We're gonna put the brio grill on, and then we've got some ribs we've pre-cooked, and we're gonna glaze them with some barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, that shouldn't happen.
Oh, there you go. It's back.
What did we do? About 100 miles of, or a little less than 100 miles of traveling, and some great roads, some great sights, some great meadows, some great mountains, swimming in the river, and now we get to eat a bunch of food. Who could ask for more?
Yeah. Right, totally.
This past winter, you went out in the snow in your T100, and you put out a call for some tapes for your truck. And I have this vivid memory of this being the first album I ever bought on tape. So I figured that you needed this for your truck. So
I just wanted to save the paper and I'll give it back to you. Give me another tape. Wait, let's see what's inside first.
Yeah, you may want to see first.
Oh, what is it?
Oh,
Space Jam! Hell yeah!
That's right. Fly like an eagle.
Salt and pepper is on here.
That's
yeah. Oh, awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Of course.
Hey,
We're
welcome.
at Earth Sky
Yeah, this is
in
Earth
Arden, West Virginia. We call it the Arden of Eden.
Yeah. Well, thanks for having us.
Man, thanks for coming out.
Namaste. Yeah.
I hate goodbyes, and everybody's goodbying right now. We stayed at a really awesome hip camp here outside of Philippi, West Virginia. This is kind of a new area for us. We're off the Tigert River here, and
This group, we had actually three three-peats, so three-time customers that attended this. The camp vibes were good. We had a great potluck last night, and we topped it all off with an ice cream sundae bar.
But yeah, this has been a fun trip. I mean, this is, like I said, some area we haven't been in yet, and it's kind of nice to add to the whole, collection of overland routes that we're collecting here in West Virginia, and you can do it too. So yeah, looking forward to the next adventure. I think the next time you'll see us will either be in Oklahoma or Colorado. So we'll catch you next time.